Hi everyone, this is Ollie Hille on the 3rd of July 2013 with another trade mentoring video. Okay, so as always, please read this disclaimer, and if you're not happy with everything there, please discontinue watching. Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about why I am getting interested in the long the Nikkei again. So here is the Nikkei Index. This is the futures contract, NIYU3, so this is September futures contract, and this is the 4-hour chart. Now you see, since we reached this high back in what was it, 23rd of May in fact, we had obviously we came down and made a low. Then we made another lower low, then another lower low, another lower low, another lower low, and finally another lower low. And since then, since that low, we've made a higher low, another 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 higher low, and the expectation is that somewhere in here we will form another higher low before it goes upwards again. So obviously the path of least resistance has been upwards in the past, certainly up until May. Another way I like to think of it is that the ground has been broken up to the high. So we've, the ground to 16,000 has already been previously broken for us. Therefore, if this series of higher highs and higher lows, the higher highs aren't so good, but certainly the higher lows are. If they continue, then I would expect it in time to go up and retest that 16,000 level. Now there's two things that is helping with this view. The first one is dollar yen, US dollar versus yen. Now as you can see, it's very, very similar to the chart of the Nikkei as dollar yen goes up, and that was the 21st of May, 22nd of May, so almost the exact day of the high. So these are highly correlated, probably above 98, certainly above 95%. As these go up together, so does the Nikkei. And that's simply because there are a lot of exporters in the Nikkei Index and other companies that benefit from a lower yen. So as dollar yen goes up, yen is weakening. That is helping the companies, or a large number of the companies that make up the dollar index. So this is helping as well. Again, if this continues to go up and make new highs, you'd expect the Nikkei to do the same. And as I said in my email earlier on in the week, this is a likely to be a strong up week in the Dow. We've had Monday, which was a strong up day in the Dow. Tonight in the Dow is likely to be a strong up day. That's the 3rd of July, because the day before the 4th of July holiday is historically an up day, and so is the day following, being the 5th of July. The 4th of July, of course, the US markets are closed. So the 3rd of July and the 5th of July, historically, if you go back a number of years, at least 20, and in fact, if you go back some 50 or 60 years, in the 3rd of July is usually, almost always in fact, an up day in the Dow. And of course, when there's a strong Dow, often the Nikkei will follow, because most stock markets around the world tend to follow what's happening in the Dow in terms of whether it goes up or down. So there's another couple of things to help in that view. So that's why I'm starting to think about long trades in the Nikkei. And of course, another way to express that view is to take a long dollar yen position. Of course, it looks quite extended from the moving averages right now. I'm not suggesting, as I never suggest any trades, but I'm certainly not suggesting you necessarily take a trade extended from the moving averages. Perhaps wait for a pullback. But that's the kind of things I'm looking at in terms of the Nikkei and dollar yen. Happy trading. Hope you have a fantastic week.